In the world of high-performance engineering, there is a distinct difference between noise and power. True authority doesn't need to shout. It simply exists, waiting for the right moment to reveal itself. This is the philosophy of the sleeper build. We begin with a ghost from 1972, a Toyota Celica. To the untrained eye, it is a beautifully preserved relic of Japanese design, a little Mustang meant to cruise coastal roads. But the air around this specific chassis feels heavy, charged with the strange metallic tension. Underneath this vintage skin lies a surgical reconstruction that defies the laws of automotive history. This is not a restoration. This is a hostile takeover of a classic silhouette by modern, brutal machinery. The 1972 Celica was defined by its Coke bottle lines and its lightweight frame. At barely 2,400 pounds, it was never meant to house a monster. To prepare for the transplant, the chassis underwent a total structural reinforcement. Every weld was inspected. Every strut tower was braced. The smell of fresh paint and ozone fills the garage as we look at the exterior. We kept the factory chrome, the original badges, and even the period-correct wheels, though they now hide massive ventilated rotors. It is a masterpiece of deception. By maintaining the 70s aesthetic, we create a psychological gap between what a competitor sees and what they are about to experience. When you sit in the cabin, you smell vintage leather and old-school craftsmanship, but the modern digital telemetry hidden behind the glove box suggests a much darker reality. Now, we reveal the heart, the 2JZ GTE, an engine that needs no introduction yet deserves an altar. This 3-liter straight-six iron block legend was built for one thing: indestructible power. The polished intake manifold glows under the shop lights, a labyrinth of titanium and steel. For this build, we've discarded the twin-turbo setup in favor of a single massive Garrett G-Series turbocharger. To manage the heat, we've routed a custom water-to-air intercooler system that sits perfectly flush within the tight engine bay. We are talking about 850 wheel horsepower in a car that weighs less than a modern hatchback. The power-to-weight ratio is no longer a statistic. It is a threat. Every component, from the forged pistons to the oversized fuel injectors, has been calibrated to deliver violence with surgical precision. Fitting an inline-six into a bay designed for a 4-cylinder required more than just luck. It required hours of custom fabrication. We had to cut into the firewall, widening the transmission tunnel to accommodate the legendary GetRag V160 6-speed gearbox. The sound of a heavy-duty twin-plate clutch engaging is the only warning of the torque that is about to follow. To keep the car from spinning into oblivion, we installed a Ford 8.8-inch rear end with a limited slip differential and custom half shafts. The suspension was replaced with fully adjustable modern coilovers, allowing us to drop the center of gravity without ruining the classic stance. The cooling system is a masterpiece of packaging, a triple-core radiator tucked behind the grille, fed by high-velocity fans that roar like a jet engine when the temperature climbs. When the key turns, the deception ends. The 2JZ doesn't just start, it awakens. The exhaust note is a deep, resonant growl that vibrates through your chest. This Celica is the ultimate sleeper. It represents the pinnacle of the automotive elite, the ability to dominate the road without saying a word. As it disappears into the night, the only thing left behind is the smell of burnt rubber and the echoing whistle of a turbocharger. True power doesn't need to be seen. It only needs to be felt. This is the Shadow Titan.